Hello everyone, I am the founder and general manager of Guangzhou J&Y Safety Products Manufacturing Company Limited. Before starting my business, I worked in Chinese government department for several years. I founded J&Y in 2008, and after 10 years of development, our company has evolved from an original staff of 30 to the current staff of more than 350 smart, hardworking, dedicated employees. We transformed from producing our products manually to using a large number of fully automated production machines. And our plant expanded from 200 square meters to an area spanning over 20,000 square meters. All these are the results of the unremitting efforts of J&Y staff. Our company specializes in producing industrial hearing protection products, including polyurethane foam earplugs, silicone earplugs, noise-reducing earmuffs, electronic earmuffs, communication earmuffs. The product certification accreditation for hearing protection products is very strict. Currently, only Michael & Association in the United States and PZT Laboratory in Germany possess the testing ability, and only the test reports and certification of these two laboratories are recognized by global customers. Because the certification accreditation is so strict, and there are no standards to refer to in China, we have to constantly explore, summarize, and develop completely on our own. This has led us to become true experts in the field, having to make elementary discoveries, but then also expert-level innovations. And we have our own very talented R&D department to thank for this. Today, 80% of our products have passed European, American, and Australian standards certification successfully. We also passed such as BSCI, ISO 9001, SII Global. The quality of our products is well recognized by the world's customers. I sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit J&Y, and I hope you all will visit soon. We will return your trust and support with high-quality products and attentive service. Thank you. Over the past decade, J&Y has experienced strong development, progressing from a simple production line with a daily output of 2,000 pairs of earplugs to 6 fully automated production lines, producing 1.2 million pairs of earplugs each day. After strict material selection, processed by experienced operators and automatic production lines, a variety of environmental and functional earplug products are produced. Customized automatic and semi-automatic packaging machines are developed independently by our company to put these products accurately into customized packaging boxes, guaranteeing the quality and quantity sent to customers around the world. Because J&Y remains firmly focused on the improvement of details and efficiency, we can steer a steady course on the road to be the most professional manufacturer of head protection products. Seen here are our company's earplug series products, which can be divided into disposable foam earplugs and reusable silicone earplugs. This is a disposable PU earplug. I'll show you how to wear it. First, twist the earplug into a thin rod with 2 fingers. Then lift the ear with one hand and put the earplug into the innermost part of the ear canal with the other hand. The earplug will automatically expand. About 20 to 30 seconds later, the entire ear canal will be filled, providing great noise reduction effect. we can produce 1,200,000 pairs of PU sponge earplugs every day, which is in the leading position of the industry. Next, I'll introduce the reusable silicone earplug and demonstrate how to wear it. We only use food-grade silicone material, which is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. In addition, we provide a variety of plastic boxes for packaging, such as 5 pairs packaging or 1 pair packaging, 50 pairs packaging, and so on. This is a neck strap earplug whose parts can be removed and replaced. J&Y has been developing and producing earmuffs since 2010. In this time, we have been consistently and constantly improving our product and optimizing our production technology. And after all these improvements, we can produce more than 500,000 different types of earmuffs monthly. J&Y operates 3 standard assembly lines for hearing protection earmuffs and a complete quality control system to implement success management. We have 13 automatic manipulators and injection molding machines of different tonnages to mold automatically. Several sets of screen printers can meet all kinds of private custom brand printing requirements of client. After the screen printing, the product enters the assembly and packaging process. Technicians in all positions will operate strictly according to the operation instructions and infuse enthusiasm and accountability into each product, providing customers with high-quality noise reduction earmuffs. Hello everyone. Seen here are J&Y's hearing protection earmuff series of products for you. This is a luxurious earmuff with ABS high-strength materials and a stainless steel 304 support frame with a noise reduction value reaching SNR 30 decibels. The form, fit, and comfort of this product are excellent. This is a foldable earmuff, which is easy to fold, stretch out, and draw back. The next one is special. It can be used with a safety helmet. And this ear product also requires a safety helmet. It can be inserted onto the edge of the helmet. I'll show you. In addition, we also produce children's earmuffs and folding earmuffs. Thank you.